Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to reset mobile network setting. Friends, you want to reset your phone mobile network setting. So how to reset mobile network today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video guys, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, you want to reset friends your phone mobile network. So how to reset mobile network? Open your phone setting. After on phone setting guys, you can see this type of interface. Friends, click on your Oppo phone additional setting. After additional setting friends, you can see phone language setting, date and time setting, keyboard setting. So friends, click on your last option, backup and reset. Tap here. Friends, again scroll. Here is all data, click here. Friends, click on network setting. Tap here and reset. So friends, your mobile network setting will reset. Network setting has been reset friends. Now you can on your mobile network friends, and friends you can use your mobile network. And friends, after that your mobile network do not work. So friends, again what will you have to do? So friends, you can restart your phone, you can power off your phone, and after that friends your mobile network will not solve. So what will you have to do? So friends, take a screenshot of your phone model number, send me on comment section friends, I will check, I will help you guys. And friends, you can do one more thing guys, go to your connection setting, and friends you can airplane mode for a while, means 1 and 2 minute, and friends off your airplane mode, and friends you can use your mobile network without any problem. So I hope friends you understood how to reset mobile network on Oppo phone device. So that's it again. Thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to reset mobile network setting on Oppo phone. Friends, do you have any doubt related to guys your Oppo phone setting? Friends, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys.